Hey, this is Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. We're going to add a new vehicle to our YouTube stream. This is a 2012 F-350 rack body, stake body, flatbed truck that we've got here. This is a super nice unit. It's only got 30,000 miles on it. 6.2 gas. Johnny's going to take pictures of the inside here to show you. No rips, tears in the seats. 32,000 mile truck. Kind of plain Jane. No power windows, no power locks. It is a 4x4 unit, which is rare in these vehicles. But overall, super nice, super clean. And all these trucks we get in, we repaint the bodies, the chassis, replace the floors, all 10-ply tires. This is a flex fuel unit that we've got. Real nice reese hitch on the back. Mud flap guards are on it. We add all that to it. We put these nice side steps on them too. Makes it easier to get in and out. If you're looking for a nice one, man, low mileage. I mean, don't get no nicer than this. Sitting on all brand new 10-ply tires, general grabbers we put on it. Did you get up here? Well, if you got any questions on this unit, Johnny's on the other side of the phone. My name's Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. Please look us up at josephmotorsnc.com. That's josephmotorsnc.com. Look forward to hearing from you. Our phone number is 919-661-2886. Please give us a call. My name is Nick Watson. Have a nice day.